Hey, man, care for some seeds, man?
No, piss off.
They were going cheap, dude, but you didn't even bother to ask.
Yeah, who gives a crap about your seeds, doper? Birds, man. Birds give a crap.
Yeah. Up yours, hobo.
Damn pothead got my floorboard blanketed with his crappy seeds. How did he get them through the windshield, though? Talking about birds? What an a-hole. What the?
I feel lighter than usual. Wait, something's not right. Right? And why does that guy look like he gravely overshaved?
Hold on, it can't be. There's no way that's... Shit. That's my beautiful pierced when I was 18 ear.
That guy is me. Was me. But how? What nightmare is this? So that crow, this crow,
Shot through, ate my brain and became me? What now? What's a crow to do? Shit's for real. Feel like crying. Do crows even cry? Can't believe this happened the day I was offing myself. Wait. It just dawned on me, crows can't be prosecuted. I shouldn't freak out, this is a real blessing. I've gone legally untouchable, no more child support, no more battery charges, not to this crow. Yes, I think I'll take this. For starters, to get a certain hoe back, time to get my feathers drenched in blood. It beats driving off a bridge like I got out of bed this morning for. Oh Brenda, here I crow.
There's the slut. You got it coming, babe. Okay, lover boy, guess you get to eat my droppings first.
Guess who ignored the restraining order and popped in, left the window open, cunt? Remember one of the reasons you left me was you said I had a small package? Well, now it's true, baby.
Wouldn't like you to die a compulsive liar.
That was magical. Who should I get next? That fatso who fired me? My psychiatrist that overcharged me? I'll get you all, shitheads!
Hey, Mom, look, a crow.
Shut up and eat your ice cream, Billy.
But, Mom, what do crows eat? That's what I get for homeschooling you. I don't know, Billy. Seeds? I don't have any seeds, Crow. I hope you like stones.
And after I get them all, I'll find me a nice lady crow to settle down and...
This was thought up by Jaime A. de la Garza, and that crow tasted like a failed sales representative.